Now we are going to start the third angle projection. So it is very much clear over here. This one is my first quadrant. Now this is my third quadrant. Here you can see observer will be always in this side, in front of this. So here I have to place the object over here, third quadrant. So here this is very much important. Now I have to assume this vertical axis and horizontal axis as a transparent body. This will be transparent body. For example, you have to assume the glass is over here, glass is over here. Okay, so for this I am going to do observer will be on this side. Now you are on the observer side. I have given this thing. Okay, this one is my vertical plane, this one is my horizontal plane, and this is my profile plane. So now you can see over here the object is placed over here. Observer is, you are observer, this is the projection plane, and this is the object. I have clear over here observer and object, in between there is a projection plane. From here you can see the front view. Okay, this front view you can see like this. Then its image will be on the projection plane, and this will be like this. This will be its front view. Clear? Now you come to, this is your front view, you come to your left hand side. Okay, left hand side, and see the side view from over here. Here again you can see this is side view. This is black circle and yellow circle, and its image will be on the profile plane, and this is my profile plane. As I have zoomed the vertical and horizontal plane as transparent, this is the glass is profile plane, and its image will be like this. Internal circle, external circle. Here I can show you then this is your left hand side. You are observing the view from the left hand side. What now? If you will open this profile plane, it will be look like this. This is that. Okay, this is your front view, and this is your side view. Here it is very much clear. You can see you are observer, in between you the glass plane, that is projection plane, object is behind this. This is the major difference between the first angle projections and third angle projections. Now I can differentiate this thing. Now you can see over here. This one is the first angle projection. This is the third angle projection. What is the difference? Observer, you are in this side. Object is placed in between the projection plane and observer. In here, observer is, you are observer. The projection plane is between the object and observer. Here your projection plane is glass. That is why this difference. Here first of all you draw the front view, then it is very much clear left hand side will be on the right hand side. In first angle projections, here left hand side will be on the left hand side. I means everything will be opposite in first angle projection, and everything will be erected or same in the third angle projections. Thank you.